they're filming over there as well. There's a camera up there. Where's your face in my camera?
Good.
Well, I'm asking, why is your face in my camera?
Just asking what you're doing.
Is it illegal?
I'm just asking what you're doing. You got people who are asking what you're doing. That's why.
What are you doing?
I'm asking you.
I don't have to tell you.
Okay. Well, you're standing outside of a bank, photographing a bank.
Is that illegal?
I didn't say it was illegal. I'm just saying. I'm just curious what you were doing.
Well, I don't ask you questions. Have a nice day.
Okay. You understand that you're standing in front of someone's business, right?
Is that illegal?
If you disrupt their business, yes.
What's that?
If you disrupt their business, yes, that would be illegal.
You're on the sidewalk?
Yes, I understand that. But if you go inside the bank, that's disrupting.
Am I inside the bank?
You disrupt their business, yes, that would be illegal. Why do you have to?
Am I inside the bank?
I'm asking you a question.
I'm asking you, am I inside the bank?
I never said you were in the bank. I said if you go in the bank.
I know
Says the auditor stands outside a public bank, simply filming. Within seconds, an officer approaches, asking unnecessary questions that expose how quickly feelings replace facts. The citizen remains calm, asserting that what he's doing is completely legal. Recording in public is protected under the First Amendment. The officer insists he's just curious, but curiosity is not law. The tension builds through politeness that masks authority overreach. The cameraman doesn't flinch, doesn't argue. He simply reminds the officer that questions are optional and answers are a choice. It's a flawless demonstration of controlled power, proving that silence and composure can dismantle intimidation faster than shouting ever could.
rules.
Okay.
I know the rules. You don't have to tell me.
Okay, so I don't understand why you have to be so inappropriate and unpolite. I don't understand that.
Okay.
I was just asking a question. That's all I'm asking.
Am I detained?
No, and I didn't say
Okay,
that.
then you're free to go.
Okay, and so are you. My question is, what are you doing out here?
My question is, what'd you have for breakfast?
I don't eat breakfast. Doesn't matter.
Well,
Okay, so my question is, what are you doing out here?
what are you doing out here?
I was called here. That's why.
Okay. Well, am I doing anything illegal?
Okay, you're making people nervous. That's the problem.
You're making me nervous.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
So you're making me nervous.
Okay, well, you're recording too, so we're both
Okay.
on the same thing, aren't
So
we?
what do you want?
Okay, my question is, what are you doing in front of a bank?
Why are you in front of me?
I'm staying here talking to you because you turned
Okay,
your head.
I don't want to talk to you. I'm not answering questions.
Okay,
Oh, name and badge number?
it's right here.
Right here?
Right
Your
there.
name is right here?
My name is right here on my vest.
Okay, what's your badge number?
452.
Oh, name and badge number?
Norberg, 492.
All right.
So, sir, what is your plan?
You don't have to know my plan. There's no plan. Is it illegal?
To be videotaped out in front of a bank?
Yeah, is it illegal?
I don't understand what your point
Is
is.
it?
Conversation sharpens when the officer tries to imply the cameraman might be disrupting business. The auditor immediately turns the focus back on legality, asking if standing on a public sidewalk is a crime. The officer backtracks, saying it's not, and in that moment, the citizen wins the first round. Every exchange here becomes a chess match, logic versus emotion. The cameraman doesn't just defend his rights. He exposes the officer's lack of understanding. The tone stays calm but commanding, filled with quiet authority. This is how real activism looks. No anger, no insults, just the law spoken fluently and confidently in the face of confusion.
Illegal. I'm asking a question.
I'm asking what your point
You
is.
should know the law.
I do know the law. Thank you very
So
much.
is it illegal?
But when you're making people uncomfortable, and I'm getting
Are you
called-
the comfort police?
Okay. Where do you?
Is it a law to
Let me ask
make
you
people
this.
uncomfortable?
Let me ask you this. Where do you live at?
You don't have to know where I live. Name. Oh, I already got it. I don't understand why you're in my camera.
Public way, is it not? Look, I'm standing on a public way. Am I not?
Yeah, but your face is in my camera. I didn't walk up to you. You walked up to me and you're harassing me.
I'm not
doing
harassing
something
you.
illegal.
I'm not harassing you.
Or illegal, I mean.
That's not illegal either. If you knew the law, then you would know that this is the public way. I can walk in here,
you're
right?
in my space.
You have all the sidewalk to walk on.
All right.
Feel free to walk.
You do too.
Yes.
Why'd you come up to me and
Because
ask
I'm
me
going to go talk
questions?
to the people in the business is what I'm going to go do. That's what I'm going to go do.
Go teach them the law.
Well, you should check that out.
Are you going to go teach them the law too?
No,
No?
he's capable.
Okay, good. So why'd you walk up to my camera?
Have I moved?
You walked up to me.
Have I moved an inch towards your camera or you?
Oh, he did.
Have I?
Another police car?
A second officer joins the scene, amplifying the pressure. They start asking, "What are you doing? And what's your plan?" Trying to shift control through conversation traps. But the cameraman doesn't take the bait. He flips the dialogue perfectly, asking, "What are you doing out here?" It's poetic. Power question by the people it's supposed to serve. When the officers admit he hasn't broken any law, the silence says everything. Still, they linger, trying to find a reason to stay relevant. This part highlights the brilliance of composure. When the law is on your side, you don't need permission. You only need patience.
Here's one. Name and badge number?
It's CSLAC 530.
All right.
Okay. Let me. You're refusing to give me your name, right?
Am I detained?
I'm asking you. You're refusing to give me your name, so
Am I
I'm
detained? I'm not answering questions.
Okay. Here's the deal. The bank. You step foot into the bank, they will arrest you for
I
trespassing.
already know that.
I'm just giving you a
You
warning.
don't have to give me directives.
Listen
I
to
already
me.
know.
I'm giving you a warning.
Do I have to listen to you?
If you step
There's
in this
no
bank,
warning for doing something that's illegal.
I said they don't want you on the premise of their property.
Is this their property?
You're not listening to what I'm saying. If you were actually, if you
Go
stop
away.
having
Go
an
away.
argument.
Go away.
Listen,
Go
you go
away.
on the
No, I'm not
property that is
listening.
trespassing.
No.
It is illegal to.
Illegal is a sick bird.
It's illegal to videotape any bank operations.
Oh my gosh, inside, right?
Correct.
Am I inside?
Obviously, you have thought about this, and you're that educated. To
Am
do
I
that.
inside?
I didn't say that. You're free to do this anywhere on
There
the
you go, motherfucker.
Good. I'm happy that you feel better. You're free to do so anywhere on here. Okay.
Did you tell them that?
But yes, they know that.
Okay.
They were just.
The officer begins claiming the man is making people nervous. That's the last line of defense for every bad stop, turning discomfort into probable cause. The cameraman instantly dismantles it. Are you the comfort police? The sarcasm lands with surgical precision. He reminds them that being uncomfortable is not illegal, that feelings don't override freedom. Every word from the citizen sounds deliberate, almost rehearsed in truth. The officer has nowhere to go, because emotion can't win against law. This moment becomes symbolic, a live lesson in the Constitution taught right on the street, proving that calm resistance is the most effective form of power.
Then why are you guys here? You're wasting resources.
I am
Look at
here.
you.
I am here because.
Look at you.
Okay.
Look at you guys.
Then,
You guys are
then
clowns.
if you know the whole law, do not step on their property. That's all they ask.
Absolutely.
Okay. You're free to go. I don't care what you do.
You're free to go.
You're just not be on their
dismissed.
property.
I didn't call you guys.
Okay. Here's the sidewalk. Feel free to walk.
I'm not walking anywhere.
Okay. Do not step on their property.
Absolutely
Okay.
not.
They will call as soon as you step on their
Yeah,
property.
go fuck yourself.
Wow, you got that recorded?
What's that?
You feel better about yourself now?
Yes.
Okay, it's
Like and
recorded
subscribe.
here too.
Go
Good
ahead.
times.
No, I think I'm good to go, man. You're on city property, it's public property. But if you want to be on our land, you have to come up front, check in, and be escorted. So,
Why would you say that?
because I don't allow anybody in here unless I know who they are and what they're doing. I didn't say you couldn't come, you'll be escorted.
Well, if
So-
you want to come around with me, that's fine.
Yeah. But if you're leaving, then there's no problem.
Oh, I'm not done yet.
Well, then go up, check in the front office, tell them who you are, where you're from, and then we'll give you an escort.
Oh, I don't identify.
Doesn't matter. If you want to be here, I'll have to call police on you. I'm just asking you to come check in, and I'll give somebody to go with you. I didn't say you couldn't be on our property. We just don't allow
whose?
access to anybody.
On whose property?
Ours, up here, cities.
Cities.
It belongs to the public.
Oh, yeah, okay, gotcha.
Public.
As backup arrives, the lead officer tries to appear composed, reciting that filming banks is suspicious. Yet again, the cameraman's clarity cuts through confusion. He asks repeatedly if it's illegal, and the officer can't answer, because it's not. The citizen presses the point without anger, exposing how often feelings replace facts in policing. His voice stays steady, his confidence unshaken. The brilliance of this moment lies in simplicity. No legal jargon, just truth delivered clearly. The more the officers talk, the smaller their authority seems. It's an education caught on camera. Reality defeating assumption in real time.
I don't have a problem with that. It's just we don't allow people here unless we know who they are. Somebody could be doing wrong stuff back here that we have no idea. You could be spraying chemical poison on water pipes that we have no idea.
Sure, yeah.
So I'm just trying to protect everyone and give you access as well.
Yeah, I mean, I could have F-18 Hornets circling overhead, getting ready to call for a bombing run on you, but we don't all just huddle ourselves, or shouldn't, into a terror corner and just fear for our lives.
I do because there are so many people that want to do bad things to other folks.
Well, I like to think, you're probably an astute individual that has the ability to read people pretty well. I probably don't come across as the evil overlord ready to annihilate the universe.
You're not.
So in that vein, like I said, I love being, first of all, an American, and I absolutely love my Fourth Amendment. I think it's one of the best things ever.
I do too.
So I just don't like to ID because you work for the government, and I just don't like IDing into the government. It's nothing personal, but at the same time, I just, want to finish my work and get back to it. So
okay, well, if you go check in up front, you'll be allowed access. If not, I'm going to call the police and have you removed.
Sure, yeah. If you want to give a 911 a call, I guess you could
certainly do that.
Probably walk over there. I think that is over there where you see that big tower. I believe that is the